Jeez. Oops. Good morning. Happy Vlogmas day 8. Yeah, day 8. Happy Sunday, guys. I love Sundays. It's actually Thursday morning right now. Again, I'm putting this video out or editing it and filming it earlier than it's actually going out, obviously, because I need time to do that. But anyways, it is Thursday morning. It's still snowing. It snowed so much last night. It was actually a snow day for dance, so I didn't go in. And today I'm going to make sure I do a ballet class because I have to rehearse some things, because I will be doing some dancing in the new year and I want to make sure that I feel good when I'm doing that. So I'm going to be doing a ballet class this morning. I don't teach until later this afternoon, and then I also go into work, and hopefully the snow stops. It feels like it hasn't stopped since last week. It's honestly been such a crazy week for snow. Monday was fine, Tuesday was fine, but like yesterday was a crazy amount. There was an icicle that was like this big pointing straight down at our entrance, so Steve just took them all down this morning. I also made a latte, but I find this oat milk doesn't froth up the same way that my last oat milk did, so I'll have to look back on like 2 weeks ago vlogs to see what oat milk I used, because this one doesn't, like, it doesn't froth at all. But yeah, I made some oats. We are pretty much out of food at home too, so if the weather improves, I will go and get some groceries. If it doesn't though, I probably still should, because tomorrow's gonna be even worse. We're gonna get like 20 to 50 centimeters of snow, which is gross. Even more snow, and then it's gonna rain on Monday. That's enough about the weather though. That's enough. Let's stop talking about the weather. Let's talk about Vlogmas. How are you guys liking it? How are you guys tuning in? Are you watching like while you're working out? Are you watching while you're folding your laundry? Are you watching while you're eating a snack? Let me know in the comments how you're watching and what you want to see, because today's day 8 and I feel like that's close to the halfway point. Not really close to the halfway point, but it's close enough for me today. But anyways, how are you guys watching it? How are you enjoying it? And yeah. What's the date today? The 5th?
Yes.
Cool. Oh no.
Another little bitty lure for purchase.
Nice. I don't know if you guys can tell by the porch, but we got so much snow again last night. And my hair stayed very curled from yesterday, despite the fact that I didn't use any hairspray. This side always gets flattened because of the side I sleep on, but it's not bad. 2 things that never end in this household because we have pets and because we work out: laundry and vacuuming. So I'm gonna catch up on the laundry now. Maybe do some vacuuming later, but I definitely want to dance in the morning. I'll do some laundry now, make the bed, and then dance, and then vacuum. That's the plan. All right, I just put away a bunch of laundry, and the worst part about laundry are the socks. I wish they could just like magnetize together, because trying to find the pairs, I just get lazy and I put them in a big pile, and now I have a big pile bigger than the laundry hamper full of just mismatched socks, and it took me like an hour to go through them and I'm still not done. But anyways, I'm gonna take a little bit of a break while I wait for the next load to dry, and I'm gonna do a ballet class because it's 10:15 and I want to make sure I get everything done today, because like I said in the last vlog, everything this week was kind of a mess. Just life was flipped upside down. You know, we went to the hospital, got like no sleep, my schedule was all messed up because of sleep. But anyways, we're here now. I'm trying to get back into the swing of things, so I'm going to get changed. I love this pajama set from Victoria's Secret. I got it literally as a present from like, I want to say 2010. My best friend Torn gave it to me, and I've had it ever since, and it's super cute. But anyways, like I said, I'm going to do a ballet class. Let's get changed. I'm wearing this Yumiko that's this red velvet. It just feels so festive and Christmassy, and then tights on top, obviously. I'm also going to put this Sancha jumper on top because it is chilly this morning, and I'm going to do a ballet bar, and I also have to rehearse Sugar Plum Fairy, but I want to do that in the studio so long as classes are still on. It's been super snowy lately, so I'll rehearse it here in flat, but obviously I don't want to wear my pointe shoes and do the full thing because I don't have space in the house, nor is it safe in my house considering the floor is so slippery. But I also have to wash my face and brush my hair, brush my teeth, I mean. So let's go do that. I'm just gonna throw my hair up super quick, and let's do a little bit of skincare. I like to just do like very minimal skincare before class because I sweat so much. I don't like to feel too greasy, but I do like to feel moisturized, and I don't like to feel dry while I'm sweating. I feel like that's gross. So let's go do some skincare and brush our teeth. do too much. I like to keep it very demure, very demurtsy when I'm dancing because I sweat so much. So we're just gonna brush the eyebrows a bit, make sure they're in a good place. I'm going to do one of the fun ballet classes off of Dance Masterclass with Thomas Carlberg, I think that's his name. Yeah, I'll keep it on flat because if I go into the studio today, I will likely just bring my pointe shoes, warm up a little bit, and practice the variation before I start teaching. And that's about that. I'm doing Sugar Plum. I think I mentioned that already. And I love Sugar Plum. It's so much fun. So festive. Oh, it is time to shave the brows again. They're getting a little wild again, and I just got a bunch of color there, but that's okay. I also like to do some mascara and blush for ballet class, but I'm gonna skip on the blush in case I do a spin class, but I think I'm gonna reserve it for tomorrow, and then I can do a full hair wash day because I curled my hair yesterday. I don't really wanna wash it now if I don't have to. So I might do that tomorrow. Oh my gosh, a bunch of snow just fell off of the roof. Wow, that was kind of exhilarating, exciting. Okay, I'm caving on the blush. Why not? Just a little bit. Oh, that was a lot. Yep, that was a lot, guys. Tell me why I can never put an appropriate amount of blush on. Are you so for real right now? Are you being so for real right now? Okay, well, that was a mistake. Okay, I think that is good. Let's go set up my ballet class downstairs. All right, got my bar set up. I also have a skirt that I'll put on later if it gets too warm, but it's really cold right now. So I'm gonna throw on my flat ballet shoes.
Kidneys one more time for 5 and 6 and 7, 8. Roll stretching. You can do a little bit more. Yes.
So I have Dance Masterclass on my iPad, and you can see it just propped up on the chair there. And I love using Dance Masterclass for taking ballet classes because one of the things I miss most about not living downtown anymore is being able to just go to a class and walk to the class. You know, it's truly a trek to get there. Plus, we've been snowed in. But I love being able to do ballet class in the comfort of my own home and to have so much knowledge at my fingertips, which is another reason I also love taking Pilates classes online. I love Move with Nicole. When I had the Apple Fitness Plus subscription, that was great. Obviously, like, your girl is on a budget, so she can't afford every single subscription, so I let that one go, but I've still been using a lot of workout platforms and people on YouTube that are just a little bit more economical and free, because as a dance teacher, I teach so many classes that I often am not the student of classes anymore, and like I've been mentioning in the last few vlogs, I've been loving being a student. I love taking classes, and I think no matter how old you are or how long you've been teaching or where you are in your life, there is always room to learn. There is always room to improve. There is always an opportunity to take something away from another class and implement it in one of your classes, maybe a teaching style, maybe a analogy or metaphor that a teacher uses specifically. I just honestly think as an educator that your learning never stops, even if you do become certified in things. There's always room to grow and improve and learn more, which is why I'm so excited to share with you guys that I am starting a program in February. Once again, when things are more finalized, I will tell you what program it is, but let me know in the comments if you can guess it, and I will respond to the one that is correct, I guess. I have also noticed a lot of technical and stamina improvements since I've started this new workout regimen. I've been doing cardio at least 2 to 3 times a week. I've been going on walks more. I've been doing Pilates every other day and stretching and ballet classes every single day, at least every other day, if not every day. But like I said, I've been noticing improvements not just in my dancing, but also in my personal life. Like I just feel a lot more energized, a lot more happy overall. And that's definitely due to the fact that I have been prioritizing my physical health, but because I'm prioritizing my physical health, that has shone through into my mental health, and I just feel so good lately. So if anything, I hope you guys find inspiration in this video, in that I found something that works for me, and I hope you guys find something that works for you. And let me know what your workout routines are, and let me know if you've like changed it, if something works really well. If something doesn't work, let me know too, because I want to open up the conversation here and just talk about like working out, mental, physical well-being, and all that good stuff. So after I did this ballet class, I felt so warm and so ready. I actually rehearsed a little bit because I'm also performing in a show next week, and I am just not the kind of person who can just whip out a variation. So I just rehearsed the choreography. I didn't like completely do the variation, but I just rehearsed it more so in my head. And then I got ready for lunch. I made lunch for Steve and I keep saying I'm going to sew a new pair of pointe shoes, but now I kind of have to, considering I will be dancing in pointe shoes next weekend, and I cannot afford to be wearing pointe shoes with holes in them on stage. Can you tell I'm stressed? Anyways, that's all I'm going to say for now. Yeah, comment down below what program you think I got into, and comment down below what your workout routine is. Okay, voiceover Jasmine out. Just finished the ballet class. It was super good. It was about a 20-minute bar because I skipped ahead a couple of things. Not the exercise. I did every single exercise. I just skipped ahead of him talking about it because I've done this class before, so I already knew some of the exercises. But I am pretty sweaty, so I probably should shower, but I'm not like sweaty enough where I want to wash my hair. So I'm like, do I go on the bike? Do I do a cycling workout for like 20 minutes? I don't know. I usually save that for tomorrow, but I could do it today and then wash my hair and be clean tomorrow. Decisions. But anyways, the class was really good. I think I'm just gonna stretch for a little bit, and then while I'm stretching, I'll decide what I'm doing. Okay, voiceover Jasmine back. After having lunch, I opened up our advent calendars, and then I went to work, and I didn't get home until late because I also went grocery shopping, and I had a few snacks before bed. I've been missing my chippies. I'm such a chip girl, and that's a fun way to reward myself after a long week, and I needed it. I needed a sweet and salty mixture because I was craving it. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog. Let me know in the comments down below what you want to see next. Have a great rest of your day. Stay safe, happy dancing, and until next time, bye now.